How to turn off call screening or silence unknown numbers on iPhone. Are calls from unknown numbers being screened or silenced on your iPhone? Here's how to turn it off or change how your iPhone handles those calls. Call screening is a feature by Apple that automatically answers calls from unknown numbers, asks the caller for their name and reason, and then lets your iPhone ring so you can decide whether to answer. You can also choose to silence unknown callers and send them straight to voicemail. To change this setting, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then find Phone and tap to open it. Scroll down until you see Screen Unknown Callers. Select Never to turn call screening off completely. Your iPhone will now ring normally for calls from unknown numbers. That's it. You are now in full control of how your iPhone handles unknown calls. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and thanks for watching.